Hi guys. Today we're at with a not a hacker. We oh my god, this kid's lagging. Okay, well we found a hacker named Sneezing, and we're gonna record him. Okay, wait, I'm going through. Run. This kid is lagging like. No, we found Sneezing. Okay, we're going through juice. Sneezing. Okay, guys, we found Sneezing. We have Sneezing, and he's using killer and anti-now. Wait, where is he? Oh no, his friends. Wait, where did he go? Oh. So guys, we found. Okay, here's the hacker people. We have Sneezing with killaura. No, I don't think they're team. I think they're just. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some proof of Mr. Okay, guys. I see Mr. Sneezing. Where does Sneezing go? But as you saw there, he was using killaura, and it's me, Philip Newt, signing out.